In this video, we will show you how to program your key fob remote on this Buick Enclave. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To be able to program your new remote, you need to have at least one of the original remotes. With that said, let's take our adapter and put it into the AWD port. It should slide right in. Once you've done so, put the key in the on position and pay attention to this LED indicator. We want it to turn red. Now the next thing we'll do is prepare our two remotes. Take the primary remote first and hold down the lock and unlock button at the same time. Once you've heard the door locks actuate, do the exact same thing to the other remote. At this point, if you had another remote, continue this process. And now we'll just let this finish doing its thing, and then we can test the functionality. Okay, let's test their functionality. Let's start with the new remote. And the original. Now that we've tested it, the next thing you want to do is remove key power and remove the adapter. That's it. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.